Preetam and welcome to our channel Velocity Minds. Today we will be learning exercise 1.5 problem 4 and 5 from the chapter Relations and Functions. Let's shoot it off.
Hi everyone, today we are going to see 10th standard state board syllabus Relations and Functions exercise 1.5 problem 4 and 5. This is video number 16. Before going to the exercise, we need to know what is f.g and what is g.f. Do you have any idea? Let me explain you. That is, what is f.g? F of g of x, which means in f, that is in f of x, wherever x comes, we have to replace it with g of x. That is the meaning of f of g of x. Clear? In f of x, wherever x comes, x must be replaced with g of x. Now what is g dot f? It is nothing but g of f of x. Okay? What is the meaning of that? In g of x, wherever x comes, it must be replaced with f of x. Clear? In g of x, wherever x comes, it must be replaced with f of x. That is the meaning of g of f of x. Clear? Let me give you an example, okay, so that you can understand better. F of x is equal to 2x plus 1. G of x is equal to 3x plus 1. Okay, now take like this. Now let's find what is f dot g. What is f dot g? F of g of x. So f of, what is g of x? 3x plus 1, isn't it? So f of 3x plus 1. What is the meaning of that? In f of x, wherever x comes, it must be replaced with 3x plus 1. Okay? That is g of x. That is the meaning of f of g of x, isn't it? X must be replaced with 3x plus 1 in f of x. So what is f of x? 2x plus 1. So 2 into, instead of this x, we are writing 3x plus 1 plus this 1. That is 2 into 3x is equal to 6x plus 2 into 1 is equal to 2 plus 1. That is 6x plus 3. This is f dot g. Clear? We can understand better when we see the exercise problems. Okay? In fourth sum, here f of x is equal to x squared minus 1. X is equal to x minus 2. You have to find a and g dot f of a is equal to 1. This is the condition given. We have to use that to find a. Now let's find g dot f. That is g of f of x. So g of, what is f of x? X squared minus 1. So what is the meaning of g of x squared minus 1? In g of x, x minus 2, we have to replace the x with x squared minus 1. So x squared minus 1 minus 2. Okay, that is equal to x squared minus 3. This is g dot f of x. This is g dot f of x. That is x squared minus 3. In the question, it's clearly given that g dot f of a is equal to 1. So we have to find g dot f of a, which is equal to a squared minus 3, which is equal to 1. So a squared is equal to this minus 3 going to the right hand side become a positive number. So 1 plus 3. Therefore, a squared is equal to 4. A is equal to square root of 4, which is equal to plus or minus 2. Clear? So, in the question, we are using the condition given. G dot f of a is equal to 1. We are finding g dot f, that is g of f of x, which is g of x squared minus 1. So, in g of x, we are replacing the x with this x squared minus 1 and finding the g dot f of x is equal to x squared minus 3. But in the question is given g dot f of a is equal to 1. So we are writing a squared minus 3 is equal to 1 and finding a is equal to plus or minus 2. Clear? Now we can go to the second question of second part of the fourth question. We have to find k. Here f of k is equal to 2k minus 1 and the condition given is f dot f of k is equal to 5. So let's find what is f dot f. F of k, isn't it? F dot f is equal to f of k. That is f of, what is f of k? 2k minus 1. What is the meaning of f of 2k minus 1? In f of k, that is 2k minus 1, we have to replace k with this 2k minus 1. So 2 into 2k minus 1 minus 1. 2 into 2k is 4k. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Okay? minus 1. That is 4k minus 3. What is this 4k minus 3? It is f dot f of k. Clear? But in the question it's clearly given that f dot f of k is equal to 5. Therefore 4k minus 3 is equal to 5. 4k is equal to 5 plus 3. Because minus 3 on going to the right hand side becomes a positive number. So 5 plus 3. So 4k is equal to 8. Okay. So k is equal to 8 divided by 4. Okay. So that is equal to 2. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. So we are using the condition f dot f of k is equal to 5. So we are finding f dot f of k. That is f of k. That is f of, what is f of k? 2k minus 1. In f of 2k minus 1, in f of k, we are substituting the k with 2k minus 1. And finding that f of k is equal to 4k minus 3, which is equal to 5. Okay. So 4k is minus 3 is equal to 5. 4k is equal to 8. And k is equal to 8 by 4, which is equal to 2. I hope you are clearly understanding, right? Okay. Now let's go to the fifth question. Here A, B, C are the subsets of a natural number. Okay. A, B, C are the subsets of natural number and f is from A to B and is defined as f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 and g is from B to C and defined as g of x is equal to x squared. We have to find the range of f dot g and g dot f. What is f dot g? F of g of x, isn't it? That is f of, what is g of x? X squared. That is f of x squared. What is the meaning of it? In f of x, wherever x comes, we have to replace with x squared. So 2 into, instead of x squared plus 1. That is equal to 2x squared plus 1. What is this 2x squared plus 1? It is f dot g. Now we can write the range of f dot g. Okay. What is the range of f dot g? Range of f dot g is equal to y, whereas y is equal to 2x squared plus 1. Okay. 2x squared plus 1. Now we have to define what is x, isn't it? So x is an element of natural number. Okay. Because a, b, c are subsets of n, isn't it? Now we have to find what is g dot f. What is g dot f? G of f of x, isn't it? So what is g of f of x? G of, what is f of x? 2x plus 1. So g of 2x plus 1. What is the meaning of g of 2x plus 1? In g of x, that is equal to x squared, we have to replace the x with 2x plus 1. Therefore 2x plus 1 the whole squared. Now using this we can write the range of g dot f. Okay. What is the range of g dot f? The range of g dot f is equal to y, whereas y is equal to what we have found? 2x plus 1 the whole squared. We have to define x. Okay. X is an element of natural number. Clear? So we have found the range of f dot g and g dot f. Now instead of 2x plus 1 the whole squared, we can expand it using the formula a plus b the whole square is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay. So we can write as range of g dot f is equal to y, where y is equal to 4x squared plus 4x plus 1, where x is an element of natural number. We can write in both the ways. Okay. Are you clear? So with this exercise 1.5 problems 4 and 5 is over. We can see the remaining problems in the next video. If you have any doubts, comment down and I will clear it for you. Okay. The link of the playlist is given in the description box. Please make use of it. Meet you all in the next video. Till then, signing off, Parveena Ramesh. Bye-bye.
Subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like. If you have any doubts coming down, signing off, yeah.